Good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. So, I wanted to start out with a little room tour because we never did that yesterday because
we were tired.
Well,
and we did the room swapping.
Yeah, so we got here and then we had literally like 15 minutes to get changed and ready for the sunset cruise. And then after the sunset cruise, then people were switching rooms so that me and Nate could actually room together. So it was just a big mess, and so we never did a room tour yesterday. So I'm going to do that now. So this is our door that I'm standing right in front of when you walk in. And when you first walk in, you have to go down these little steps right here. So it's a little weird. I don't know why that is, but whatever. So we get on the steps. And then in there is the bathroom. We have two twin beds right here that we pushed together kind of out of the way. And then a bigger like queen bed over there in the corner. Obviously we've already been here for a night, so our stuff is all over. So we have the table here, a little like dresser and mirror combo over there. And then another thing here, a wardrobe. There we go, that's the name. And another mirror, hi. And then out here is a cute little balcony. If Nate can get it open. Okay, one more door. There we go.
Oh, it's already humid.
This is our cute little balcony. Oh, it is very humid. Whew. So over there is the street, and if you look over there, you can see the Indian Ocean out there. So that's pretty cool. And then I'll go in to show you guys the bathroom. So then this is the bathroom, shower, and vanity and mirror. And yeah, so that's a quick little room tour. But yeah, so now we are just getting ready. We're gonna head to breakfast soon. And then we have a walking tour of Stone Town. So yeah, it should be a good day.
How many people were being at the time? Actually, people they do give amount. They said because 2 rooms. This was for women and children. People say about 75. Whoa, 75. And the other side was for men and about 50. But my position of saying I prefer to say they could keep as many as possible. Maybe more than that, only than that. But people say it's like 75 here and 50 in the men's side.
Update.
We're in the pool.
Wow,
after lunch.
That was very helpful. Thank you.
Let's see. We went on our walking tour. Got back. Ate lunch. Had a burger. Pretty good. I don't know what you had.
Tomato bruschetta
Sure.
and fries.
Very disappointing brownie.
Because we couldn't get it.
I know. After he said yes. And then I jumped in the pool and Angie went and changed and now she's in the pool.
Yay!
Ready?
Popping out.
Ready?
No.
1, 2. You're going in.
I know.
3. You're welcome. Thank you.
And so we came back from the pool and we showered, and now we are getting ready and we are going to go to, what's it called? The Sunset Bar?
Sunset Bar, Sundown Bar.
Something like that. It's a place that we went to this morning on our walking tour, and it'll be a really good spot to watch the sunset. So we're gonna go there, have a few drinks with people, and yeah, I think it'll be a good time. So Nate's just finishing getting ready over there. And you can hear sirens outside. But yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. So,
Bye-bye.
Yeah, swimming in the pool though was super fun. Wasn't it fun?
Yep.
It was lots of fun. But yeah, so we're gonna go head there for drinks and watch the sunset.
I know, I like scrolled through Instagram and Facebook for the first time last night.
I know,
and like saw about the Texas family.
Yeah, that's how I found out about everything.
Yeah, more info about the hurricane. This chicken has pepper.
You got pepper?
Pepperoni is not the same thing as
That looks so good though. It has all the
You want to try it?
That
Yeah, I love peppers.
That looks really good.
I love peppers. So there's a really bomb.
I don't think I've ever seen yellow peppers on a pizza. I've seen green, I've seen red.
That looks
I always just
anticipating.
Avocado?
It's a salad, yeah. Chicken, avocado, mango salad.
Yeah.
And it came with bread, so I'm pretty excited.
Yeah, no one wants ketchup.
Yeah. So we just got back from dinner. Lots of fun.
It was lots of fun. We were there for like 4 hours.
Headache trying to figure out the bill.
Yes, lots of math.
Because for some reason they don't split bills here.
Right.
So we had to do the splitting ourselves, and we were still short somehow. Yeah, now we walk back.
Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video though,
Yep.
for today. I'm sad because tomorrow's our last full day here.
Yep, and then flights and flights and more
Yeah.
flights.
But tomorrow should be fun.
Yep.
So,
Prison Island and then the sandbar.
yeah.
And then who knows what.
Yeah, I don't know. But it'll be good. So, thanks for watching.